Good day, Madam Sir. My name is Joy Natividad, 37 years old, married. I have two children, 15 years old boy and 5 years old girl. And I recently live in Block 14, Lot 7, Villa Doñawana, Bagumbong, Caloocan City. And I graduated vocational at University of Polytechnic, Tacurong City, Sultan Kudarat, with the course of Industrial Technology and major of Food Technology. My height is 159 centimeters and my weight is 69 kilograms. And I work as a household nanny to Mr. and Mrs. Christopher Torres in the Philippines in 2 years. There are 4 members in the family, 2 adults and 2 children, 7 years old and 3 months old baby. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, cooking, and tutorial baby. And also take care of babies like changing diaper, bath them, and feed them. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to have a better living to support my family. I'm honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. To my dearest employer, I promise I finish my 2 years contract with you and I'm willing to renew my contract if needed. Hope to see you. Thank you.